You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these character name from Demon Slayer. If you want to learn how to learn more character names from the series that many get wrong, and the name of the series itself, manga, anime. In Japanese, stay tuned, we've got loads to learn here. Japanese pronunciation, Sanemi, Sanemi Shinazugawa, 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 Sanemi Shinazugawa. So in English, Sanemi Shinazugawa, Sanemi Shinazugawa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.